Hello students, let's learn a very important topic which will not help only in academics but also in any competitive exam. So we'll learn today how to solve multi-step linear equations. For example, x by 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 or 2x plus 3 is equals to 5. In such questions, we will move all the values except the values with the variable x. For example, in this we have 2 and in this also we have this 2. So we are not going to move this 2 and 2 to the other side, but we will move the rest of the numbers to the other side. So here we will move 3 to this side. What we will get, x by 2 is equals to 5 minus 3. Then x by 2 is equals to 2. Now we will move this 2 to this side and we'll get x is equals to 2 into 2, which is equals to 4. Similarly, in this question also, we will not move this 2. We will move this 3 to the other side. We'll get here 2x is equals to 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2. So 2x is equals to 2 and we'll move this 2 to this side and we'll get x is equals to 2 divided by 2, which is equals to 1. In this question, first we have to solve the bracket. So 2 into x plus 2 into 3. So whenever we are going to open the bracket, what we need to do, whatever the number is there outside the bracket, we have to distribute that number to every number within the bracket, which is equals to 4. So 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 3 is 6 is equals to 4. So I already said that we are not going to move the number which is there with the x, but we will move everything except that to the other side. So we have 6 here and we'll move this 6 to the other side. We'll get here 4 minus 6. So 2x is equals to minus 2. And then we'll take this 2 to this side. X is equals to minus 2 over 2, which is equals to minus 1. That means x is equals to minus 1. Similarly, if we have both the sides bracket, for example, 2x plus 4 is equals to 3x minus 3. Now, in this case, we will first open the bracket. So, on the left hand side, we'll get 2 into x plus 2 into 4. And on the right hand side, we'll get 3 into x minus 3 into 3. So, 2x plus 8 is equals to 3x minus 9. Now we have x values on both the sides. So what we need to do, we have to move x values on one side. So if I will take this 3x to this side, what I'll get 2x minus 3x plus 8 is equals to 9. And we have to move the number on the other side. So I'll take this 8 to this side, I'll get 2x minus 3x is equals to 9 minus 8. Now 2x minus 3x means minus 1x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 1 over minus 1, which is equals to minus 1. So the value of x is equals to minus 1. This is how we can solve the multi-step equations. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel.